Hey guys, what's up? It's Nyaishalove, and I'm here today to bring you this look that I did for Pride in collaboration with Deja D on YouTube.
So much dope that it broke the scale. They say crack kills, nigga, my crack sale.
I'll link her channel with her look in the description box down below. Hey guys, what's up? It's nyaishalove. I'm so sorry this video had to be voiceovered. The look didn't really come out how I wanted. Nothing really worked out. But as you can see, I'm just taking yellow, orange, and red, which are the Roy of the rainbow, and I'm putting them like all over because I really needed to build up that pigment even though I'm cutting the crease. I went in on the other eye with green, blue, and violet. I would have used indigo too, but I'm really weird when it comes to like, not symmetry, but I'm just really weird and I didn't want to have like 4 colors versus 3 colors on the other lid. I don't know. But yeah, just winging that out because I want the cut crease to be elongated, and then blending it most definitely. That's like key. And then I'm taking a flat concealer brush with some LA Girl Pro Concealer and cutting out the crease. I really like this look. It came out nice in the end. You just gotta really trust the process with this one. It was one of those, I was testing my faith. But now I'm taking that same concealer and I'm just tracing out a wing. I traced it really sloppy, but that's okay. And what I'm doing is taking the colors for the opposite eye and applying them, so that way I have 2 rainbows going 2 different directions. So yeah, the same color. So you see there's the blue, the green, the green, blue, and violet. And then on the other eye, it's the yellow, the orange, and the red. So the bottom rainbow, which is the wing liners, they're going in that way, that direction, and then the cut crease colors are going the other direction. I thought that would be a really dope concept, and it came out nice. And I don't understand how the red, orange, and yellow wing came out like fucking perfect, and I had to like hella clean up the purple one, but I still clean up the red one because I'm weird. But I love those lashes, and OMG, we're like at the outro. I didn't get to record this how I wanted. The lighting kept changing, but it's okay because those of you who really love me are gonna watch it and tell me I'm popping. Bye.